Well, it's Saturday morning. We're not garage selling or anything. Well, we already hit a few garage sales this morning, but we're at the Memorial Day car show in Holton, Kansas, and we're going to go look at some cars, talk to some old friends. We'll keep you updated.
How are you? I knuckle bumped your husband.
All kinds of cars here.
Just for a couple months. Get back in the swing.
You don't see too much of. That's being a Mustang Row. Oh, there we go. An old 421 Pontiac Bonneville. '38 Chevrolet, I think.
Hey.
Hey!
How you doing?
I'm good.
Are you?
Pretty cool old Falcon. Oh, here we go. 68 Dodge Dart GTF 383 car. That's pretty hard to find. When I was a kid, I had a 67 Dodge Dart two-door hardtop. Oh. Kind of killed it with a plywood console. Oh, not much. 41 Willys gasser, silk front end, pretty cool car.
You want to sit in it? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Mike Scheidegger's car. Oh, there's his old pickup. Sitting on a short bed Chevy frame, I think. Oh yeah, that old car. Pretty cool Merc. Look at that. They've got prime style, man. Look at this old 72 Chevy. Don't get much better than that. 57 Chevy convertible. '69 SS Chevelle, big block. Ford. Scott Bartlett Chevy pickup he built. Old Demon 440 car, or 340, excuse me. Automatic. '59 El Camino. 37 Ford.
Take the registration on the North Courthouse door. Take the registration at this time. Thank you.
Impala. Oh, there you are. Very nice little car. Oh, that's a little different.
Yeah.
Yep, like somebody got a little carried away there with a BB gun. Old Packard convertible. Always like them old cars. Yeah, but a little different color scheme there. 4-door. $35 Plymouth. A little like this. Now there's something you never. Oh my goodness! I just don't know about this. It's a one of a kind. Oh my! I got an old buck saw blade for sun visor.
No idea.
Doesn't show or anything, it's just choice. Good. Stop by and let's say walk around the cars, enjoy.
Oh man.
Sun's working on coming out. Down here, it's like pop it out. Thanks. Here's just a second. Thank you.
Heck, it's even a right-hand drive car. I'll be darned.
Van camp booth, looks like, so I'm going to let you know about what's going on here. Interesting. Yes,
Well, as you can see, we took a break from garage selling or antiquing and sourcing, junking, whatever you want to call it. And we went to the Holton Kansas Memorial Day car show. It's every year, and I haven't missed it in quite a few years. And I just like to go and look at other old cars and stuff, and it's a break from what we do. It's different, and visit with old friends. Got caught up on a lot of gossip, so that's that. And that's what? That's another one of our. That's the second. This would be the second video from our 10-day trip, and we're gonna have a few more, hopefully, of buying, and our load gets pretty huge. We've already got a half pickup load in our new truck, so, and it holds a lot. So we're going, after this, we're going to go hit the road and head through Missouri and Indiana, or Illinois and Indiana, and see what we can find. And if you like this kind of stuff, like us, subscribe to it. Don't cost you a darn thing. And hit that bell so you can get notified when we put another one of these on. And you have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.